Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the Galaxy Book Pro 360. That's right, yes, I am an Apple fan, but this is also something exciting that I've been looking forward to. Full disclosure, this is not my product. It's actually my mother's, but because I'm the tech person in the house, I'm the one who gets to open it. This is the box that it has come in. We're definitely going to open this up and take a look and see what's inside. Is the actual box with the product in there. It says Galaxy Book and it does match the color that we ordered, which my mom wanted a cute little rose gold because that's her theme. Now before I do open it, I do want to talk about the fact that this has the Intel chip inside, which was really exciting when Samsung first announced it. My uncle and I were both like, oh my god, this is going to be so cool. I'm looking forward to see what this is actually like, if I can compare it to a MacBook or not, or whether or not I would personally get it for myself. So we've got it. That satisfying sound of tearing off the plastic. Love it. And here's the box. Okay, so we're going to open it. Okay, so I have the top off of the box. And this is what it looks like inside. Very nice. Okay, so we already have the thing that goes in the wall plug. And here's the actual system itself. The box is small and it kind of seems like Samsung is following that same sort of save the environment move with the packaging, which I think is really great. Here we go. Here's the system. I like how this is in like a little envelope. I think that's cute. That satisfying sound. Okay, so this is in the rose gold. My mom went with the higher specs, so I think it has 2 terabytes and it definitely has 16 gigs of RAM, which is really important for the stuff that she's going to be doing with this laptop. This is very pretty. First glance, it doesn't necessarily remind me of a MacBook, which I think is a good thing because it's its own unique product in itself. I'm going to open it up and we are going to see what it looks like. Okay, so that is, it's doing a reflection thing because I am using my iMac to record, but here we go, and we have the plastic. Take it right off. Look at that. This keyboard is quite nice. I like that. Very smooth. It has a Touch ID button right here. You can't really see it, but that is on here, which I think is a great asset. I personally like it, having it on my iMac keyboard for the Magic Keyboard, the new iteration. So I think that is a very good touch. Now, what else is in the box? We have the charging cord, which is USB-C. I love USB-C. I wish all my Apple products were USB-C, but unfortunately Apple is not going that route. So I will just live vicariously through my mother. We also have the charging block, very small. It's kind of heavy, which is surprising to me because the one for the iPhone and for the iPad is not, but the iMac itself, that one is really heavy. So this has got a little weight to it, but I like it. Here we have the little information packet. I won't be opening this up because my mom is going to need to read it for herself. And last but not least is the stylus that it comes with, and I can't seem to get it out of the box. So I finally got the stylus out of the packaging. That was really difficult, not gonna lie. This is what it looks like. It's sort of similar in design to the Apple Pencil, but the difference is the tip does go in just a little bit. Not too much, but enough to notice a difference. It's very skinny. It has a nice soft feel to it, so that's always good for when you're writing and things like that. I personally love anything that comes with a stylus. It just makes it more versatile to me. So I think that my mom is going to enjoy having this on her computer. So that is everything that comes with the Galaxy Book Pro 360. And just to recap, we have this gorgeous rose gold color. I love it. It's going to match my mom's watch. She has the new Galaxy Watch 3. I think it's great when your products all match. It comes with this black stylus, which unfortunately it does not have a compartment to hold it, so she's gonna need a good case to make sure she doesn't lose it. It comes with the charging block, which I wish Apple would go back to, and of course the charger itself. Not a lot of stuff, but this thing packs a punch. Make sure to watch this video and comment down below, did you get the Galaxy Book Pro 360? Have you even heard of it? And what do you think it's going to be like in comparison? That is my unboxing video for the new Galaxy Book Pro 360. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews.